Today's January 14th, 2016. We're here with Ruth. Ruth has come back with, to me, a wonderful story because when she first came to me, she had a myriad of problems, including a neck you were telling me that altered with barometric pressure.
Yes.
And
I couldn't go up in elevation beyond 2,000 feet. And and when rainstorms started and the barometric pressure would go down, I'd have the same symptoms as going up in elevation, which were nerves firing off in my face. It caused palpitations in my heart, and a sensation also with my breathing that was changing my breathing.
and I gave you Prolozone, and what happened?
Nothing right away that I knew of until 2 weeks later there was a hailstorm, and I got up from where I was sitting and I ran outside to watch the hail because I love weather so much, and enjoyed it. And then as I walked back inside, I realized I wasn't having any symptoms.
That's wonderful.
It is. Thank you.
Now the other thing is, and I know you were reluctant to let me video you because of the swelling
Oh, true.
over here. You
Yes.
just had dental work, so let's
Yeah.
let the viewer know that. Now I have your permission to video you and post you, yes?
Yes.
Thank you. When you came to me, I used kinesiology, and I detected that you had a problem in number 14 and number 17.
Mm-hmm.
That you had a cavitation, and probably a root canal was a problem.
Mm-hmm.
And you told me that, much to everyone's surprise, I was dead on. Is that correct? Tell us what happened.
You were right. So with the kinesiology, you determined that I had a cavitation back here where I had a wisdom tooth removed in my 20s. And I thought, okay, I don't feel anything. And then you also said that my root canal was probably also a problem. So I went into an oral surgeon, and they did a special kind of x-ray, and the results of the x-ray were that my root canal tooth was infected, and that also I had a cavitation down at number 17 where you said it was. And so I just had those taken care of 2 days ago.
And didn't you have, well, the root canal, wasn't there a hole going into your
Oh,
sinus?
yes, in the root canal, the infection was so bad that it had created two holes into my sinus, and he was very surprised about that. But I didn't have any symptoms to tell me. I had, near the end, right before my appointment, I could feel some things going on in the tooth, but there was no pain.
That's why I wanted to video this. You had no pain.
No.
There were no symptoms.
No.
And yet I was able to pick this up.
Yeah.
And it was found.
Mm-hmm.
And it was repaired.
Yeah, it's pretty
And
amazing.
Thank you. I wanted the viewer to know that a lot of times these dental infections, you don't know you have them.
No.
But they're screwing over your body.
Yes,
right?
yeah. He said there was a lady in the room right next door that he had an infection, a root canal in number 14, just like I did. And as soon as he gave her Novocaine to the area, oh, she wasn't able to lift her left arm coming in until he gave her Novocaine to that tooth, and immediately she was able to lift her left arm. And then, of course, he removed the tooth after that. But they're strange things.
Strange things. Thank you very much for this
You're
story.
welcome.